under the curse. All right, YouTubes. We're gonna head out this morning. I gotta go to a sandwich shop he's got like 3 sandwich prep tables he wants serviced. I think he said in his text he actually wants to see if they can get colder, so you know, it's been hot and busy, so we'll go take a look at these things and see if there's anything obvious what we can get into, and I'll bring you guys along and we'll come check them out. Let's get out there.
In bed that makes a man go crazy every time.
Oh, you gotta give him that hawk too and spit on that thing. You get me? Hawk too and spit on that thing. 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 Spit on that thing. Spit on that thing. Spit on that. Spit on that. Spit on that. Spit on that.
Tippins, dude, sleeping on the job. Let's grab some knee pros. You guys know what's up with the knee pros if you have them. These are the best knee pads. There'll be a link in the description where you can get these on Amazon for a good price. I've been running these things, I kid you not, God, since I worked for Rogers. So that's over, yeah, I've been running these style knee pads for over 25 years. And look, you can see this one got melted a little bit right there, but still good. All right, we're gonna grab those. I'm gonna grab some gloves. And then we're going to grab Mr. Tippins. And we're gonna get in there. I'll bring you guys along. We'll grab these little buggers too. So far, mine have been holding up, these H.V.A.C. Felipe sent me these. You guys know that. I've told you that. And I'll be danged if they ain't holding up. So I keep using them. Well, I still got my analogs hiding back there, and the other set of H.V.A.C. is holding up. Then I still got, what are the other ones I have? Oh, I got the original Testos in here, the 550s. All right, what else do I got going? Oh, I got some knockoff, these little knockoff batteries from Amazon for the M12s. Now, I haven't really been using them in power tools, but for flashlights, boom, I've had good luck with those two monsters. All right, now let's get in there. Saturday morning, pluggo buggo. Going down. Saturday morning pluggo buggo. There's only one way to fix this thing.
Hawk too and spit on that thing. You get me? Hawk too and spit on that thing. Hawk too and spit on that thing. Hawk too and spit on
My new favorite song. Hawk too and spit on that thing. Spit on that thing. Spit on that thing. Spit on that thing.